Hi beauties, Maria here for Beauty Junkies, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Pro Pencil Brush from Beauty Junkies. This is a very versatile brush in that it can be used to smudge out any harsh lines along the lower lash line, the upper lash line. I also really like this brush for applying highlight along the brow bone. It's also really great for putting highlight on the inner corner of your eyes as well. First, I will demonstrate how to apply highlight to your brow bone. First, take your favorite eyeshadow for highlight and grab some pigment on the brush. Next, concentrate the color at the arch of your brow bone. Then diffuse it out by sweeping the brush back and forth along the length of your brow bone. Next, you can get a precise pop of color by taking the same shade to your inner corners as well, just patting and dabbing the color in place. Next, I will demonstrate how to blend or smoke out your lower lash line. Optionally, you may want to already have your lower lash line lined with a darker shadow shade. Then you can take a slightly lighter eyeshadow, typically the same shade you would use for your transition, and simply sweep the color back and forth on your lower lash line, blending in with a darker color. This will soften out the line and add a little more dimension to your look. And that's how you use the Pro Pencil Brush from Beauty Junkies. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.